In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a downsell page in Systeme.io. If you're building a simple sales funnel and want to recover customers who hesitate at your main offer, a downsell page is an excellent way to present a lower priced option without losing the sale. I'll walk you through the process and share tips to make it clear, persuasive, and consistent with your brand. First, log into your Systeme.io account and head to your dashboard. From there, go to the funnel section and open the sales funnel where you want to add your downsell. Keeping all your funnel steps in one place makes it easy to track performance and adjust quickly later. Inside your funnel, click Add Step. When prompted to choose a page type, select Downsell. Give the step a clear name so you can recognize it at a glance, especially if your funnel has multiple offers. This helps you stay organized when you review analytics or duplicate the funnel in the future. Next, you'll choose how your page should look. You can pick a downsell page template or start from scratch. Templates are great if you want proven layouts with a strong headline area, a content section for benefits, and a clear call to action. If you prefer a fully custom design, starting from a blank canvas lets you tailor every element. Either way, aim for consistency with your main sales page so the transition feels seamless. Now customize the page using the drag and drop editor. Write a headline that immediately clarifies this is a simpler or more affordable alternative to the main offer, and explain what makes it valuable. Keep your copy concise, emphasizing the core benefit and how it solves the customer's problem. Add supporting elements like images or a short video, trust badges or a brief testimonial if you have one. Make your call to action button highly visible and specific, and double check that the button text aligns with what the customer is getting. Take a moment to preview on mobile, tighten spacing, and ensure the page loads quickly. A clean, distraction-free layout helps people say yes with confidence. Finally, connect the downsell to a lower priced product or offer. Link your call to action button or checkout section to the correct product inside Systeme.io, set the pricing, and confirm the payment details. Make sure the product matches the messaging on the page so there are no surprises for the customer. That's it. With your downsell page created, you've added a smart safety net to your funnel that can boost conversions and keep more buyers on board even if they skip the main offer.